how to remove Microsoft Authenticator app in mobile. Now, first things first, if you link or if you connect your mobile to your Microsoft Authenticator application, this is how we remove this. So you need to use your browser and then log into your Microsoft account. Pull up your browser, go to Microsoft.com, make sure that you have logged in to your account. Now, once you're logged in, just click on your picture right here for the account manager and click my Microsoft account. Now you will be routed to this page. You just have to go with the security section. Now once you click security question, this will require you to re-log in again to your email and password. Once you've done that, you go ahead to devices, and this is where you will see all of the device that you linked or you connect to your Microsoft account. Now to remove this, just simply click the mobile details. For example, we have connected our desktop to our Microsoft account, so press on see details and then click on this link right here. Remove this device or unlink from your account. Now, once you clicked on that, you just have to check and I'm ready to remove this device and then remove. So that's how you remove an account from your Microsoft Authenticator app and mobile.